Hey everybody, Sean Gavin with Tucker USA and RHG Products. I want to take a couple minutes to introduce you to the Sidekick trad pole. Now if you do a lot of commercial route work, you know that it'd be great to have a short little stout trad pole. So this unit here, the Sidekick, is what everybody needs for route work. 3 sections, fully extended, we're right around 6 foot. All fiberglass, so insulated handles. A whole lot easier to handle this in the winter time than it is in the winter with an aluminum pole, right? From the insulation standpoint. We've got the quick release clamping mechanisms. They've got the fingertip adjustments for adjusting the clamp levers themselves. Comes with a built-in threaded Acme tip. So you can use this for anything that's Acme threaded. Also includes the wood cone tip, which accepts your typical US made traditional tools. Slide right on, friction fit. We've got the Sorbo here. We've got a Stakoni featherweight. Any of the US made brand mops and squeegees will fit right on. So again, this is the Sidekick, very economical, 3-section, made in the USA here in Castle Rock, Colorado by us here at Tucker. Available of course at tuckerusa.com. Thank you very much.